What's up guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. I'm in the process right now of editing some bigger projects, so I thought I'd take something a little more mundane, kind of everyday that I was already doing, and try to put a little creative spin on it. Let me know if it worked. Let me know if you have any other ideas of what else I could be doing to try to make a kind of creative edit out of. So if you enjoyed this video, give this a like, it really helps me out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this with a friend if you feel so inclined. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you next week. See ya.